This week, I was flagged at work for exceeding my monthly AI token limit. As a punishment, I had to use Cursor's free model for the day while I waited for HR and finance to decide whether or not they'd have mercy on me. If you haven't used Cursor's free model, it says it's as good as the frontier LLMs. After using it, I beg to differ. But luckily, finance came through and they decided to give me some credits to get me through the end of the month. But the experience highlighted an anxiety that I've been having for a while now. If you work in tech, you've probably heard the term 10x employee. Well, after finding out I'm burning AI tokens like a 10x employee, I figured I'd better check to see if my high perception of my output actually matched reality. So I counted the number of tickets I created and closed in February 2025 versus February 2026. The results were shocking. I closed almost 4 times the number of tickets in February 2026 as I did in February 2025, and I went from 92% close rate to 125%, picking up backlog tickets from previous months in the latter figure. At first, I was tempted to pat myself on the back. It may not be the mythical performance of a true 10xer, but 4x isn't too shabby, right? But despite it all, I still have 46 open tickets on my Jira board, and I'll probably create 3 or 4 more tomorrow. Am I bringing in 4x the value, or am I just burning expensive tokens at warp speed while running in place? To find the answer and what can be done about it, I looked in a few different places. Most interesting of which is the story of a very poorly designed Swedish warship from the 1620s. But first, where are we at? Is everyone performing multiples of what they used to? Well, according to a recent study by a consulting group named ActiveTrack, the answer is a resounding it's complicated. In a study they ran involving 1,111 organizations and over 163,000 employees over a 3-year period, they found some counterintuitive insights about AI in the workplace. The study cited that AI adoption is up to 80% and found that, quote, the data is unambiguous. AI does not reduce workloads. Every measured activity increased substantially. For example, time spent in chat and messaging apps like Slack increased by 145%. Ironically, time spent in business management tools like Jira similarly went up 94%. This confirms that the increase in ticket completion that I saw in my own work is widespread.